Ask yourself the question, not what are you, but who are you? If you didn't have your job, whatever that job is, if you lost that job, if there's something that you're doing in life that is just something to pay the bills, if you lose that, who are you? What is it that makes you not what you are, but who you are? Not all the external things happening around you. The validation from others, seeking validation to feel important, to feel worthy, or to feel that you're liked or cared about by others. But who are you? Who are you as a person? If you lose these things, what do you have left? You only have your thoughts. So, ask yourself this question. How much time do you spend thinking about who you are? Or are you just caught up in what you are? Whatever that job is, whatever the external things are to make you what you are. Because in the end of the day, it's who you are that matters. Because when you lose these things that make you what you are, all you're left with is the person that you're looking at in the mirror. Who you are. Now, I've asked people this question before, and it confuses them. They get confused between who and what. Who is a person? What is an object? Ask yourself, who are you? And what is your objective in life? What is it that you value about yourself, that you like about yourself, and not the external things? What would you be happier with? Having lots of cars and a big house? Or having very good health? Would you rather be extremely rich, but have bad health? Or would you rather be content and happy with what you have? You see, there's not always the best in certain things that we see in life. These whats, or these things that are external that make you what you think you are. Start asking yourself, who am I? What do I value about myself, and not the things that I think I should be doing, that I think would make me feel accepted or valuable to others? What is it that I want for me? Spend a little bit of time thinking about that. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk about that. But I'm gonna go work on some things, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed the chat, and you have a great day. See you later.